Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So now today is a day 7 building income through content creation. Now we've reached day 7 and there's some lessons and some things that I'd like to address in this video. I wish I knew before I started the journey of turning content into income. Well, now if you're new here, welcome. I'm Mohammed, documenting the journey of building income through content creation. If you're about to start content creation, just follow the journey and see the wins, the failures, and of course what I'm learning, I'm building, and of course what I'm struggling with, and to be able to make confident choices. Well, now I'm starting from scratch, of course, no shortcuts, no pretending that I have figured it all out, just sharing everything I wish I knew, everything and every mistakes and every failures, every wins, and a lot of things, okay, in between, okay. And in today's video I'd like to participate some lessons that could have saved me quite a lot of time, stress, and self-sabotage or self-doubt. And if I would have known these things earlier, before I even started this journey, it could have saved me quite a lot of time, okay? And if you're about to start content creation, whether that's YouTube, whether that's Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, whatever you want to start, is your passion, right? Like it's my passion to create content, to make videos online, and to do lots and lots of things, okay? And if you're about to start content creation, just start, because there's no perfect time. Things I wish I knew before I started this content creation journey is, first of all, you don't need to be perfect to start, okay? You don't need to be perfect to start. Well, now for me, to explain this, is I wasted so much time trying to make my first video perfect. Well, now a year ago, once I started this journey of content creation, I even have no idea what about, to start content creation and to build income through content creation. But once I've known that there is something called monetization, where you can make money online through content creation, I say, what? So you know what, we can just create content and of course build some strategies and how I turn that content into income, and of course help you do the same and make confident choices, okay? A lot of people, you might say, do they really care to watch my videos? Well, your first piece of content is going to be shit, okay? It's going to be flawless, and that's okay. You have to just start anyway, because repeat and improve and be consistent, and that's how you grow, okay? I'm telling you this from experience. I know there's lots of videos out there, my videos I'm talking about, I haven't got that much views because but I remember a year ago, one of my videos hit about 10,000. That was the biggest number I got since I started the content creation. But yeah, I mean, if you're about to start, you don't need to be perfect, just start, okay? The second lesson I wish I knew is consistency beats going viral, basically, okay? I spent weeks chasing viral ideas, hoping for that one big break, okay? The truth is, small consistent steps grow faster than any viral post ever. Never copy anyone, never ever try to search for viral videos that go and try to create the topic or whatever, just post regularly, build trust first and skills and audience that will stick together, because you want to grow organically, okay? Not just to go viral, that's it. Third lesson I wish I knew sooner, I wish I learned before I started this content creation journey, is you will make mistakes, a lot of them, okay? I thought mistakes meant failure, but nope. They are lessons is in disguise, okay? The lessons in disguise. Every time I mess up editing, mess up deadline, description, and even tags from my videos, or even posts something no one watches, okay? I learned something that made me next one better. It's a journey, not a destination. This is the lesson number 4, which is lesson, not a destination. It's a journey, not a destination. I wish someone told me content creation isn't just about money at first, okay? But as you know, guys, this content is all about sharing lessons that I'm learning and what I'm building through content creation, of course, hopefully to turn that content into income. What I mean by that, you will learn that later in the video, okay? In the series of content where I be able to reveal everything, that how much money I made through this content and everything. It's all about learning, to be fair, and I wish someone told me that. Experimenting and finding your voice first, building your confidence in front of the camera. Well, if you are chasing only the end of the goal, you will burn out before you even see the progress. That's the lesson that I've learned. Your perspective are unique and they are matter more than you think. This is the lesson number 5 I've learned. Your unique perspective matters. Well, what I mean by that is stop comparing yourself with the big creators. Nobody can do it like you. Your mistakes, your wins, your personality, those are your superpowers, okay? And if you're about to start content creation and you kind of like, you sort of, comparing yourself with other people, those people who have got millions and, viewers, followers and everything, but you never know, okay? You never know. Sometimes one of your videos will blow up and you will get there. So everyone is start with a different path, okay? You don't need to be comparing yourself with the other big creators. If you about to start content creation, you're thinking about starting, or maybe you already started, or you feel kind of like you're stuck, okay? Learn from me. Go to my channel at the moment and see. Have I got lots of views? No. Have I got lots of subscribers? No. But whatever I do, keep going, keep pushing forwards, and you will get there. You don't need to be perfect, okay? You don't need to have an overnight success, and you don't need anyone else's permission. Just start, okay? Just get it started. Keep going and share the real journey, because your story is more valuable than you think, okay? Trust me. Because if you, in the next about, you say, because now we are in about, this is the video 7 and now we've left with 93 videos out, so that's you will learn a lot about it, and the more you will ever imagined, okay? If I tell you some same journey, if you're on the same journey, hit the follow and join me as I figure out. And of course, no filters, no pretending, just a real progress on building content business from scratch. I'll see you in the next one.